Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. In this video, I will demonstrate you how to do the hydro distillation to make a coffee hydrosol and use the hydrosol to make a wonderful lotion. That is my son's favorite one, and he keep asking me to make that lotion. Besides the coffee hydrosol, I also use 3 different oils to make the lotion, and each oil have their own specialty and their unique benefits. And this is definitely a wonderful combination. In this video, there will be 2 sessions. The first session is hydro distillation to make a coffee hydrosol. It is pretty easy. I'm gonna use the KD5 hydro distiller to make the hydrosol distillation. And at the end of this part, I will show you the comparison between the soup and the hydrosol. The second part is to make the lotion by using the coffee hydrosol and 3 different oils. I'm gonna put a recipe under the description so you can easily find and how to make it. This is 100 gram the powder. I'm gonna put in the pot. Add a 1.5 liter of filtered water and give a good stir. Use an empty steamer and connect the condenser. Don't forget your collection cup. Add a cold water in the condenser. It will be nicer if you have ice cubes. Just add in the condenser with water. Now we can turn on the heat. After boiling, adjust the heat to the medium. Just keep boiling and make sure the steam is coming out. That's good enough. Don't make a quick boiling. Now I collected 500 milliliter of the coffee hydrosol. So I'm gonna turn off the heat. I gotta show you the color of the hydrosol. So you can see pretty clear. This is exactly what I want. It has a strong coffee flavor, aroma, but a clear color. The hydro distillation brings us 2 products. One is the clear hydrosol, and the other is very condensed coffee. The clear coffee hydrosol has many uses because it has a strong coffee aroma and it tastes a little bit bitter, not as strong as the coffee, but it's good enough to make some tonic drink. If you want a coffee flavor but you don't want to ruin the color by using a real coffee, so making your cocktail, the holidays coming, you want to make some special drink, use this. It will surprise your guests. And today I'm gonna show you to make a lotion by using the coffee hydrosol with coconut oil. And also I'm gonna add flaxseed oil and jojoba oil. These 3 oils, coconut oil, flaxseed oil, and jojoba oil, they have their own specialties. The coconut oil has a major compound, it's called lauric acid. That is a medium length chain fatty acid. It is easy to absorb on our skin because it's a part of the sebum we have naturally. And its conversion has antimicrobial benefits to help to kill the bacteria and the virus so as to keep the skin healthy. The flaxseed oil's major compound is called alpha-linoleic acid. It is omega-3. It's vital to our skin health. It helps anti-inflammation and reduce itchiness, redness, and irritation of the skin. And omega-3 is quickly absorbed by our skin. Jojoba oil contains the large molecules that's a long chain fatty acid. It's called a gallololic acid. It can cover the skin, give a good protection from the oxidation, including the UV lights. So you can think flaxseed oil can go underneath the skin and help reduce inflammation. Is great for the sensitive skin. Coconut oil is also easy absorbed and help reduce the bacterial virus to keep the health of the skin, and then covered by the jojoba oil, which prevents oxidation from the environment to our skin. The last step is add a preservative. So preservative is a special. So you gotta need at the right temperature, the right pH for your preservative. So after add a preservative, give it a good stirring. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something about coffee hydrosol and how to make a lotion with hydrosol. Please leave your questions and comments and give a thumb up if you like it, and subscribe to the channel. This is Dr. Leo at LeTime. See you next time.